and people feel very apologetic for what happened. तो अभी भी लोग flowers आके इधर रखते हैं. Good morning everyone. So अभी यहाँ पे blackout curtains है भाई. नींद बहुत अच्छी आती है इसी कारण. पर obviously jet lag कारण नहीं आ पाई. But these curtains are special. And so आज actually it's the real weather of Germany, थोड़ा सा gloomy and catching our train. Today we are taking a bus to the palace. That's the bus coming right here. And हमने ticket नहीं खरीदी because ticket they said you have to go underground and they said आज Sunday है कुछ check नहीं करने वाला, so we'll go ticketless. Okay. You find it ticketless?
I guess so.
Travel 5 minutes.
Okay.
Next station is Littlehaber Palace.
This one. Yeah. Yeah.
We just walked there.
But हमारा Uber driver said that like Americans love Germany a lot.
Yeah, he said that all the Americans he's talked to say that Germany's better than America. I don't know, people. Steve happy yesterday, and we were like at the happiest day of the year because it was the spring festival and it was warm and sunny, and people were all outside like appreciating the weather. So
It's summer.
yeah, kind of. It feels cold now. So.
And welcome dosto to one of the biggest palace of Germany and one of the biggest of whole Europe. It's actually wider than Versailles. So France, our biggest palace, and it's wider than that, right?
Yeah, I think the total area is definitely smaller than Versailles, but apparently like the front, like this part, in total is actually wider, which is kind of cool. Yeah, and
Go ahead.
it was the summer residence for the Dukes of Bavaria, and actually still the current Duke like still lives here. I guess.
We can still go inside and check out.
Yeah, I'm sure there's like, it's like Buckingham Palace, you know, where there's like a private section. But so that's pretty cool.
Pretty cool. And आपको बताता हूँ कि for Americans the most visited country is not Germany. It is actually Mexico, then Canada, and उसके बाद it's actually France and Italy. But this is like still top 10 visited countries in the world. You know which countries brings most tourists in the world is actually France. Well, I was amazed. Yeah, and उसके बाद then there is Spain and America.
Yeah, I can't believe, I'm surprised that Spain is number 2. Like, I didn't know that.
As for Wikipedia 2022.
Yeah, like, I thought it would be Italy would be next.
And this is the painting of the same palace जहाँ पे हैं हम. Dosto, can you point out the rainbow? It is so beautiful. Deliveries used to happen. Dosto, Napoleon liked a lot of Egyptian stuff. So let's see the table. It has Egyptian legs. And if you see a fire.
Yeah.
What is it called?
They're called sphinxes.
Sphinxes.
It's like creatures with the head of a person and the body of a lion.
I see. So these are all Roman gods, right? They're in heaven.
Yeah. It's Apollo. He rides his chariot, and that brings the sun up across the sky and down. So they thought happened.
So it's really behind the sun. Yeah, that is so cool. I didn't notice that's the sun.
Yeah, he carries the sun.
Oh, and then there's
The sky.
there is dark too below it.
Yeah, they thought that the sun went around the earth.
Oh.
I mean, it makes sense. That's what everyone thought.
Coming out of the palace दोस्तों, and all the paintings you saw वो king ने बनाई थी when he was exiled in France from Munich, and it was beautiful inside. वापस आते आते this is a better viewpoint because the lake view. Wow, it's a pretty big lake. Okay, our bus is here. लगता है ये hack है. No one is paying for tickets on Sunday.
Yeah. Maybe they're like, Sunday is God's day, so it would be kind.
When we took the train, we didn't pay again. It's shocking.
I didn't even see where.
And look, Katie, like there are food options even in train stations. Like it's amazing. In metro, I have never seen that many food options. That's
Station is really big. It reminds me of Penn Station.
oh, in New York City.
Grand Central, yeah. It's more like Penn. It's not as nice as Grand Central. I feel like it's more like Penn's.
But on Sunday, so many food options. I mean, I don't know. Look, you can think it's curfew day on Sunday. I'm like surprised. It doesn't seem like that. I guess like most supermarkets closed on this Sunday, but it's not like curfew. So finally, oh wow, sun is back. Behind us is the railway station, or railway station se pehle we're getting some food, and food ke liye they have options again, lot of sausages. मैं confused हो गया था. It says Bavarian Wurst salad. I was like, why Wurst?
There's a place in Atlanta called Best Worst. It's like best sausage.
Oh, so Wurst is sausage.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't like sausage, so I have to skip it. There's so many sausage options everywhere.
Tomatoes. Oh, this is the hummus, I think.
Oh, this is very interesting. It's like German food, right?
It's just like a mix, and then quinoa and pickles and pretzel again.
Oh yeah, pretzel to खाने ही पड़ेंगे. Like this is famous here. Yeah. Wow. This seems crispy. Yeah.
This is good or dry?
Crispy. Yeah, it seems too sweet.
Like in a good way?
Yeah. And this is typical German chicken, which is fried, and yeah, 2 pieces chicken breast.
Yeah. Chicken schnitzel.
Chicken schnitzel.
Yeah, this like breading. They could do it with fish or beef or chicken.
Chicken schnitzel.
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 Time to say goodbye to Katie. She's going to her Arabic school.
It's pretty nice, right? The seats are very nice. It's better than Amtrak. Oh, yeah. काफी अच्छी है. So this is, what is it called?
Deutsche Bahn?
Deutsche Bahn.
I think Bahn means like train.
Bahn.
German
Oh,
train.
very nice.
Germany train.
So back to hostel, Euro Youth Hostel. 2 more days and उसके बाद सीधा Zurich. बहुत देर से 0 minutes कह रहा है, पर अब तक नहीं आई. Okay, here is my train. So this is my tram, and ये tram लेके I'm going to interview a student about AI, self-driving cars. Lot of innovation happening in Germany. And this is the city center. यहाँ पे हम कल गए थे. Amazing and very beautiful for the summer fest, spring fest. And one unfortunate news दोस्तों, as an Indian जो मुझे problem face हो रही है, that is Google Pay UPI के लिए. As an Indian मैं Indian बैंक भी यूज़ करता हूँ, तो वो banned है यहाँ पे, तो उसके लिए VPN यूज़ करना पड़ा. तो ज़्यादा नहीं है. ओके भाई, काफ़ी फिगर आउट करना पड़ता है टिकट लेने से पहले. हर टिकट के बाद वैलिडेट भी करना पड़ता है. इंटरेस्टिंग. कैसे डर नहीं आ रहा? हो गया? कैसे पता?
ये स्टैम्प आया ना टाइम का.
कहाँ पे?
दिस इज टाइम स्टैम्प.
ओह 4:15.
हाँ यार,
पर अभी 3:15 हुए हैं.
तो दिस इज 15:25 इधर दिख रहा है.
अच्छा ये अच्छा डेट है.
हाँ, दिस इज द टाइम.
ओके. एंड यहाँ पे अपने वर्स्ट टाइम क्या सुना है यहाँ पे? मतलब साइकिल चोरी होती है उसके अलावा.
I mean साइकिल चोरी कॉमन है. I think homicide वैसा कुछ serious crime there's no record at all. There's no record म्यूनिक में. Murder का there's no record. या फिर
Even if you are traveling like 2 a.m. and at 3 a.m. in the bus, it's
Easy, it's very safe.
Wow.
Any city of Germany is safe. Most of them are quite safe.
except for a few exceptions, like
Except for
थोड़ा फ्रैंकफर्ट का एक स्पेसिफिक एरिया है, फिर न्यूज़
Berlin
एरिया
का.
हाँ वहाँ पे होमलेस है ना फ्रैंकफर्ट में.
थोड़ा said
Even Munich, I don't think I've encountered any area which is not safe.
even the least desirable places to live in Munich are very very safe. There's nothing happening. No statistics at all about crime.
क्या बात है. So this is the bus we're taking to Dachau, the camps. Oh, this is Autobahn highway. जहाँ पे लोग लेफ्ट मोस्ट लेन पे भगाते नहीं ज़्यादा, कि नहीं भगाएंगे?
भगाते हैं जनरली, बट ये यहाँ पे हाउस पार्ट है, लाइक एग्जिट है सिटी के अंदर की, तो इस पार्ट पे स्लो करनी पड़ती है.
Okay.
बट ये आगे जाते आते 250 प्लस चली जानी है.
तो मैक्सिमम स्पीड आप कितना बैठे वहाँ पे सपोज?
200 प्लस इजी.
200 माइल्स के किलोमीटर?
किलोमीटर.
ओके.
मुझे एक बार मेरे दोस्तों ने 1 घंटे के अंदर स्टुटगार्ट से फ्रैंकफर्ट पहुंचाया था, क्योंकि
हैं?
ट्रेन मिस हो गई थी. ऑडी RS60 आई गेस
3 घंटे का
ऑलमोस्ट. हाँ 260 के ऊपर 300 आई गेस पहुंच गए थे हम लोग.
वाओ.
और दोस्त लोग अभी क्या
आप कितना मैक्स बैठे हो?
200 के आसपास.
हैं? तो सेफ लगता है मतलब इतनी हाई स्पीड?
नहीं होता.
गाड़ियों पे डिपेंड्स ऑन द कार.
तो मतलब इतना
Cars are designed in that way कि वो feel नहीं होगा आपको जैसे. And the roads are really smooth. जहाँ पे
roads
of
are
course you have the ability to do that speed. So you don't feel.
300 भी जा सकते हैं तो कुछ डर नहीं है.
नहीं डर नहीं है.
कार पे डिपेंड करता है.
कार पे हाँ.
Just got out of the bus. अब next bus सीधा डकाऊ के लिए जहाँ पे concentration camps है. And यहाँ पे है होटल मोदी.
मोदी. I guess नीरव मोदी होगा. लाउंज कैफे. आगे जा.
ये हमारी आगे नेक्स्ट बस. चलो आगे डकाऊ की फाइनल बस. So दोस्तों entering the concentration camps and मैंने यहाँ पे सुना है कि यहाँ पे स्माइल करना अलाउड नहीं है और मतलब अलाउड है बट लाइक लोग मानते हैं कि इट्स रूड क्योंकि आप ऐसी जगह पे स्माइल या हंसते हो तो.
मेन एग्जीबिशन उधर दिखा है.
Main exhibition है barracks है और वहाँ पे
So this is the main exhibition and children are not allowed here. Adolf Hitler becomes powerful 1933 and then discrimination. Prisoners की चीजें 1945 की इधर पड़ी हैं. यहाँ पेपर भी 1945 के ओरिजिनल पेपर पड़े हैं. And ये prison है ना?
This is the maintenance room.
This is the prison.
This is the maintenance room. इधर आके they were like stripped off from their clothing and stuff. And बाद में transferred to other places. So the initial place they come is this.
Okay. और बाहर ना निकल पाए इस कारण ग्रिल्स लगे हुए हैं. And people feel very apologetic for what happened. तो अभी भी लोग flowers आके इधर रखते हैं. So पीछे वो बिल्डिंग थी जहाँ पे prisoners को स्ट्रिप किया जाता था and now this is the place where we're going which is actually the prison and gas chamber. So these are actually inmates. यहाँ पे prisoners रहते थे, right? These are the photos in 1930s of prisoners. ये पूरा reconstructed है मतलब
reconstruct किया. US Army had used it बाद में भी inmates रखने के लिए. And it was SS का propaganda कि ये clean है but actually वैसा था नहीं. पहले clean नहीं था बिल्कुल भी.
ये washroom है. ये this is from the photo and that is how it used to look like there.
Look here. This is the basin for the sink.
ये sink है ये? These for more prisoners. ये camp उनका. ये क्या है बताना ये?
This is also the same thing.
ये also inmates के लिए. ये prisoners के लिए actual में. It was also used by US Army for their criminals. And those are watchtowers. अगर कोई prison से भागने की भी कोशिश करता है तो कुत्ते छोड़ देते थे उन पे. और snipers भी होते थे, guns भी होती थी ना? हाँ. So this is the prayer room built in the memory of all the people who died.
Yeah. So I think we are heading towards the prison.
Prison, yeah. This is the prison. अच्छा ये लॉक है ना? बंद हो गया. फाइनल ट्रेन. मजा आ गया पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट देख के. हमने सिर्फ 5-10 मिनट वॉक की.